Hello, I saw your question on the discussion board. We'll see if the requirements are met for hypothesis testing. So first thing, that you want to check is n times p sub 0 times 1 minus p sub 0. N is given over here. The sample size is 1,193. P sub 0 is 0.35. And then 1 minus p sub 0. So I put that in the calculator, and it's 271.4, round it to the nearest tenth, and so that's what number would go here, and that is greater than 10. So that first condition is met. The sample size is going to be less than 5% of the population size. We're talking about families with children under age of 18, and the sample size is 1,193. Which, families with children under 18 probably in the millions, and so we meet this condition also. Now up here we're told it's a poll, but we're not told it's a random poll. But since this is a poll that they're taking, we're going to reasonably assume that it's a random poll, even though it doesn't say it. And the last thing. Well, we're going to say that the requirements are satisfied. Hope this helps.